It is time now for better food. Now, who says you need a campfire to make s'mores?
Who knew that February is National Chocolate Month? And today, personal chef Rhadia Hursey is showing us how to make mason jar s'mores.
Yes, mason jar s'mores.
Which I think is really clever, because I'm still trying to figure out how to get the graham cracker on the stick so we can roast it over the fire.
Well, there's no stick today. We're just going to use the mason jars.
It's the most beautiful thing ever. So I'm looking so forward to this. And it looks fairly, not too hard.
It's simple. Your kids can do it. It's a great activity for the kids. It's just a couple of ingredients. So we have our heavy cream.
Okay.
And you just want to heat your heavy cream. And then we're just going to pour it in.
Oh, pour it into the chocolate.
Yes,
okay.
because we want to melt the chocolate. Okay. And this is just milk chocolate.
Just
if you want to
chocolate.
use dark chocolate, you can use dark chocolate.
Whisk it
and you
in
just
there?
just keep on whisking until it becomes incorporated.
Was that just one Hershey bar, or?
So that was 2 Hershey bars.
2 Hershey bars.
Yes.
Okay.
How clever.
I know, right? So this is the chocolate sauce.
Oh,
Okay.
yummy.
So it's going to be nice and gooey.
There it is. It's
See, it's coming together.
It's getting there.
See? And see, I love using.
See, when Karen and I actually can make something, it's a miracle.
It's very exciting.
Yeah, it's very exciting.
We're going to make the s'mores today.
Okay. My kids were just asking for s'mores last night. It was relatively warm here, so they thought, let's go outside. I'm like, well, we're not ready for like fires and things yet. But this is nice because
you
we've got
do it
snow days coming up and people can do it at home.
Right, right. So the great thing about these, they're portion controlled.
Yeah.
So have you guys ever heard of the expression, summer bodies are made in the winter?
No, that's
so
absolutely true.
It just means that, everyone's dieting.
I think someone else's body is made in the winter because we're
2 to 4
eating
ounces,
on the show.
You're not going to get like a belly.
That's perfect. I love it. A little snack.
Okay.
Right, okay. So now we're going to move on graham crackers.
Okay.
Use your muscles.
Okay.
And
you want
just
to
roll
break
it.
them up?
Yeah, just break it up.
Okay.
See?
Act like you're angry with someone.
Don't get him started.
Right. Oh, you're doing good. Who made you mad this morning?
My favorite song is by the Andrea True Connection. It's called S'mores, S'mores, S'mores. How do you like it? How do you like it?
All right, so you're doing good. Just a little bit more.
Okay.
All right. So now we have our butter.
Yep.
Get our butter.
Butter.
And then we're just going to open it up.
That's just melted
and
butter
just
there?
Melted, unsalted butter.
Oh, and put it right in the plastic baggie?
Yes.
Boy, this is
so
simple.
this is easy cleanup. Moms will love this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just kind of just mush it. You want to mush?
Yeah, I love to mush.
Mush is a word.
Mush.
So mush it.
Mush it, mush it.
This is so relaxing. And
I know, right?
I feel like
It's
like
bubble
a big
wrap
stress
on
reliever.
crackers.
That's wonderful.
Okay, so now this is done. So we assemble.
Okay.
So you grab the chocolate sauce.
Okay.
We'll just move right over here.
Okay.
All right.
And then so we're just going to open this.
And just scoop it with a spoon.
And then we're
right in
just
the
going to
bag.
scoop.
Okay.
See, Scott, you didn't have to put the graham cracker on the stick.
Right.
Yeah,
so
and you got to break it, which is so exciting.
Right. So this is our graham cracker crust. And then you just want to press it down.
Okay.
And then
Yum.
I have the marshmallow cream.
Oh,
And it's just marshmallow cream. You could buy that in
Like
the store.
fluff?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Isn't this beautiful? And
I
you
know.
press
And
it
you
down.
just press it down.
Okay.
And then you put the fluff in kind of
Yes.
icing piping bags?
Yes, piping bag.
Or
So
you could just do a Ziploc bag and cut the
Yes,
edge if you don't have
exactly.
that. Okay.
So you just want to twist.
I feel like you could get adventurous and put a layer of Nutella, too.
Oh my God, Nutella would be amazing.
So of course, Kara has to throw more chocolate
I
in
know,
there.
right?
I'm just,
you guys
having
wanna...
ideas.
All right.
Okay.
So you just want to twist.
Twist.
And then...
And then pipe it in there.
Yes, pipe it in. Look at you. You guys are pastry chefs.
Yeah, I don't
You
know
guys are
about
doing
that.
a good job.
The whole thing?
Sure. You
Okay.
can never have too much marshmallow fluff.
Okay.
There we go.
There's
Okay.
the layer.
All right, so now...
And that just makes it prettier than just sticking
Exactly.
a big marshmallow in there.
You don't
which
even
would be
have to
hard
do that
eat.
because
Oh,
the chocolate sauce is hot
It'll melt it down.
and it'll melt it down.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that just beautiful?
What a great little party favor, too.
I know. So a couple weeks ago, I catered a bridal shower,
Okay.
and we gave these away for party favors.
It's okay if they sat for a couple hours
yes,
and they would...
totally fine.
Doesn't need to be served
Totally
hot.
fine.
And then
Okay.
you
So now marshmallow time. Let's put marshmallows on.
This is the fun part. You're gonna like Scott.
Yes.
I think you get to use fire.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, don't have the kids do this.
Maybe Scott shouldn't have.
Don't have the kids. Okay, just hit the button.
Hit the button.
And then just torch.
Which one? This one?
Oh no, this one right here.
Oh, this one.
There you go.
Boy. Oh, look at this.
Brown those marshmallows.
See?
Look
at that. You're an expert.
Kara, this is so much fun.
I know. I want to do it. Yeah.
Oh, I play with.
Oh wait, don't catch them on fire.
Okay, a little burnt there,
Okay.
but that's okay.
So we're gonna torch.
And then you got your dessert ready to go.
Yeah, you have your dessert.
And you leave them open like this. Don't put a cap on them.
Yeah,
okay?
you want to leave it open.
And so many other ideas. You brought some other examples, which I know you have on your channel as well. So for recipes and cooking videos, you can visit Chef Rhadia, RHADIA.com. You can also follow her on Twitter and Instagram. Just use the handle Chef Rhadia, and you can see some of these other amazing treats with like caramels.
Yes,
and
turtle
Oreos.
brownies.
Wow.
Yes.
Yummy.